Help support the companies that support our community. Alright, so Easywood came out with the negative rake cutters, and they have them for the round, square, they have them for your hollower, and they just released not too long ago the diamond, the detail one. So when they first came out with them, they were basically designed for resin, and they work fantastic for that, but they also work really well for hardwoods and for hollowing too. I'm just going to use it on resin this time, but I've had a lot of questions about the negative rake. So they work, before when I was doing resin, I would have to hold the tool at an angle like this to get it to cut smoothly and not chip too much. So they created that negative rake on it. You hold it level like you do with your normal tools. All these cutters fit right in all the Easywood tools. The cutters are interchangeable and they work fantastic. Highly suggest, if you're going to get into resin turning, I would go with these cutters. I've been using them for, like I said in past videos, probably over a year, and not one catch with them. I'll just run through them all real quick and show you. They just work great. Hold them just like you do on the regular tool. They work fantastic with it. You don't have to worry about it chipping. At the round one, square one here, same thing. It virtually eliminates the catches that you were getting with resin before. And you can see I'm really putting some pressure on it. There's big shavings on it and nothing. It's not trying to chip. Slipped and hit the chuck, but you can see those ribbons on there. It doesn't want to catch at all. I'm pushing pretty hard on it. You can see that. And with the new one there, that's the diamond one, and it works fantastic too. And if you want to do a little bit of detail with it, come in there. We'll make a little captured ring. Well, it won't be captured. But you could see that just with putting that little bit of negative rake on that, you would never be able to do that with the regular tools. I think that actually popped it loose. Look at that. It's just, as far as resin turning goes, it is fantastic. It's a huge benefit from trying to turn resin with regular cutters or regular tools. So I'll pull the camera back a little bit so you can see that too. You can see by the size of those ribbons, I am not being gentle with that. I am literally pushing it right into the wood. And like I said, they work fantastic. So again, if you're gonna get into resin turning, this is something I would highly recommend. It's just you can focus more on turning and not worry about when the catch is coming for it. I'll I'll put a link down below in the description to the Easy Wood Tools website, so you can go check out all the negative rake cutters they have, and they also have them in retail stores like Woodcraft. I'm gonna keep working on this. I'm gonna make a little Easter egg for my sister-in-law, but you can see it's really it really is a game changer the way these cutters work with resin, and it virtually eliminates all the chances of catching. So I have had a lot of questions since these things came out, and I just want to clear all that up and show you exactly how they work, and that you really don't need to worry about catches, and you can just focus on what you're doing. With the new one that just came out, the Diamond, it works fantastic too. Where'd that little chunk go? Yeah, I mean, you make a little ring like that thin and not have it blow apart on you. I don't know how much more proof you need. They work great. Yeah, you could do a captured rings with them or whatever you want. But I'm going to make a little Easter egg out of this and give it to my sister-in-law. I finished up a little egg for my sister-in-law. I'll give that to her in a couple of weeks. I hope that cleared up any questions you had about the negative rake and really why they were designed. They were designed for resin, but they work great on hardwoods and for hollowing too. So again, I'll have that link down below in the description. And as far as any of the videos go, I always put a link down below in the description to all the tools I use, and I even set up a little store there, so if it was something you saw in a previous video. All right, if you have any other questions about wood turning, please leave them below in the comments, and we will keep working our way through these things. All right, till next time, take care.